Hey, welcome to feralart. If you're new here, my name is Kelly. This is feralart, and I hope you will like this and enjoy this enough to hit subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a like and comment if you please. So today, if I can ever get tied up, we are going to be using this 24 by 24 inch level 1 gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft, which is right here. I have this pinned and taped on the back, and I think we're going to be doing a little blowout, so let's get down here and get busy. Okay, so our colors today are golden Prussian blue, Arteza Bordeaux red, Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, golden pyrrole orange, Amsterdam titanium white, golden quinacridone magenta. Our CA colors will be Amsterdam lamp black and Amsterdam titanium white. I think that's what we're going to do. So there's nothing to it but to do it, so let's do it. That's still our base color. Then a little white. Red. Gold. Orange. Little white. And magenta. Cell activator and a little blow.
You've got me questioning my position. Am I just filling out? Taking space, not with as much grace. Am I a second choice of all the not a Rolls Royce? Not my business, then whose, when it's up to you to choose?
some wild stuff.
Flowers at the market, let her have her shot. I call it respect, one woman to another. Yes, we all work hard, be our best, replica or not. Flowers at the market, well, let her have her shot. Replica or not, replica or not.
Okay, I will see you over on the drying table. Okay, here are the wet results of our blowout today. In the bloom style, but not with bloom ingredients. It looks really yellow over here. That yellow is really white, but my lighting over here stinks. So I'm doing the best I can. But yeah, kind of turned out cool. I kind of came in with no real game plan, so I just wanted to paint. So I have myself a play. And there we go. Just gonna look for a second on this corner mostly because I can't really reach. But we've got some nice shimmer going on there from the gold. That was my only metallic. But yeah, we've got it going on here. So yay. And now you can at least see the colors sort of. So anyway, there we go. And I'll see you when it's dry. Here are the dried results of my quad bloom blowout. Had a lot of fun doing this. I was just playing. I didn't, as I said before, didn't really have much of an idea. Didn't go into it with a clear thought. I just wanted to see if I could make some flowers on a dark background, and I reckon I did. So yeah, I got some nice lacing. Use that both black and white cell activator, which is always interesting. There were a couple of areas that I would have liked to turn out differently, but overall I think this is a really pretty painting. I hope you like it too. And hey, before you go, make sure and subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a like and leave me a comment. And thanks for coming and hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys later.